If you're like me, you are constantly seeing ads online advertising different drink powders, generally referred to as superfood powders. Whether they are green or brown or some other different crazy color, today I'm going to review my favorite superfood powder. Let's go. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Corey from Cruises Reviews. Think of me as your tour guide to products that help you live a happier and healthier lifestyle. Today we are going to be covering superfood powders, what they are, and which one is my favorite. If you find the video helpful, please consider hitting the like button below. Thanks, let's get started. So first thing we need to do is we need to talk about what a superfood powder actually is. It's really simple. Imagine that you took a whole plate of fruits and vegetables, you dried them out and you pulverized them into a powder. I know that sounds gross, but in a nutshell, it's a way of getting micronutrients into your diet just through a drink instead of having to eat so many fruits and vegetables. Now, this isn't a replacement for eating fruits and vegetables, but it's a great way to supplement your diet, especially if you're like me and you live a really busy lifestyle, and so sometimes you're not always in a place where you can cook a lot of vegetables. So that's what it is. So next, let's talk about what to look for in a good quality superfood powder. So what do you want to look for in a good superfood powder? It really breaks down to three main things, right? The first thing are the ingredients. You want to make sure there's not too much sugar in it. You also want to look for words that you know. So if you look on that ingredient label and you're seeing words like kale and spinach and broccoli and carrots, that's what you're looking for. You don't want to see a bunch of words that you have no idea what they mean or what they are. That's too much chemical, and that's kind of defeating the purpose of what you really want out of this. The second thing you want to consider is how does it taste? Now listen, this is vegetable and fruit powder. It's not going to taste like a milkshake, but if you choose the right one, it can taste pretty stinking good. The third thing, and an important thing for most people, is price. This stuff can be really expensive. So the one I'm going to recommend to you today is a balance of both the taste, the ingredients, and the price. So let's talk about that. So which one of these superfood powders do I actually recommend? Well, this one is my favorite. It's called Organic Pressed Greens by Smart Pressed Greens. What I like about it is that it's a good balance between ingredients, taste, and price. So first of all are these ingredients. It's all organic, and the greens are pressed, which is much preferred because you're getting the most nutrients out of the greens. Just in general, here are just a couple of the ingredients. We've got organic carrots, organic lemon juice, kale, broccoli, spinach, pineapple, not to mention all the different grasses and herbs and things like that in here. So there's a lot of good stuff in here, and it's only 25 calories a scoop with very little sugar, less than 2 grams. So in general, the ingredients are really excellent. The other thing I really like about this stuff is that it tastes awesome. I mean, let me back that up. It, again, doesn't taste like a milkshake, but it tastes great for green powder, right? It tastes so good that my daughter, who's 3.5, well, actually, we can mix this up into some cold water and she'll drink it every morning. So the thing I love about that is that not only do I make sure I have my fruits and veggies for the day, but so does the rest of my family, which is really nice. Another great thing about this is that it's not really gritty. So even if I'm just mixing it up in water, it's not too gritty. It doesn't like it's kind of like mixing up almost like Kool-Aid. So it's really nice and it's healthy. The last way I make this taste great is with smoothies. So smoothies are just, if you've watched any of my videos, they're one of my favorite ways to get in nutrients every day. So this mixed with fresh fruits and vegetables in a smoothie, plus a little protein powder, it's a really excellent way to start your day. So the last thing I like about this is that it's got a fair price. Now, notice I said fair price, not a great price. There are definitely things cheaper out there. I've seen stuff for as low as like 20, 25 bucks. This only costs $35, especially if you do it on a subscription-based model inside Amazon. So you get a little bit of a discount. This is 30 servings, so it breaks down to a little over $1 a serving. That's a pretty good deal, especially considering it's just an insurance policy to make sure you are getting enough fruits and veggies in your life. But if you want something cheaper, you could certainly experiment. I'll put a link in this down below, but again, this one is my recommendation just based on price, taste, and ingredients. Definitely give this a shot.